Understandably, you need to prepare for this oral exam through examples of exam questions that could be asked on the due day. This said, as 2020 is the first edition of this exam under this format, we do not have examples of past questions. Therefore, I can suggest through this video ways of devising questions that are similar to those you're likely to be asked on the exam day. To this end, I recommend you should go to professional fora where people write and talk about contemporary issues relating to economics, business, politics, or international affairs. And by viewing a heading or reading an article, transform the content into a question that can be answered by yes or no. And this is what I'm now trying to show you briefly. One possible forum is the Harvard Business Review. Here, I suggest going to the latest issue first and then backwards in time. With the latest issue, just browse the table of contents just to see if there is anything that could be easily transformed into a question that could be answered through yes or no. Here, let's see if there's anything. Apparently, the first thing here, why boards should worry about executives' off-the-job behavior. This is something that could be transformed into should boards worry about executives' off-the-job behavior? And this question then can be answered yes or no. Apart from this one, on this issue, I do not see anything more, so I go backwards in time to the previous issue. And then let's see again if we find anything. For now, nothing necessarily easy to transform into a yes or no question. Let's quickly see here on this issue, nothing. So let's try the previous one, which is September, October 2019. Interesting, how do career couples make it work? You could transform this into could dual career couples make it work? This is a potential question for the oral exam. Here, don't let metrics undermine your business. This can call for two possible questions, one being, could metrics undermine business? Or the other one could be, should the conduct of business rely on metrics only? And with this, you've got two potential exam questions. Then let's see quickly. Here we're done with the Harvard Business Review. I think you understood how to. You can do something very similar with a newspaper, such as the Financial Times, for instance. Here we are on the Financial Times opinion page. And the first thing I see is this one, climate change. Will insurance pick up the bill? This could be a question in itself, an exam question. So you could try to prepare with this heading and read the paper so as to get some material to make your own judgment and answer the question by yourself. And then you can do the same with other headings that would come up. Here I do not see for now anything, but will Brexit split the UK? This is a question that could be asked on the exam day and for which you could prepare. and this is a question that could call an answer indifferently, yes or no. So I hope it is now a wee bit clearer as to how you could get prepared, how you could articulate your own exam questions when you prepare for the exam.